Welcome to 20006 Covey Lane, located in Bend, Oregon and Elkhorn Estates. This southwest Bend home is very close to the old mill, the Deschutes River, and the Deschutes River trails for access. It's 3 beds, 2 baths, 1,364 square feet, built in 1999 on a 7,405 square foot lot. All of the landscaping is mature and well maintained with an automated sprinkler system, both front and back. There's a great covered front porch. Seating area. Lots of nice landscaping details, a little trail around to the side entrance for the backyard. Just a great home in a very nice Southwest Bend neighborhood. Now inside the front door, looking into the great room, you can see the ceilings are vaulted and there's new laminate flooring throughout the living spaces. All of the bedrooms still have carpeting. This divider in between is a TV and fireplace area. Perfect location for the great room. The dining area, directly adjacent to the sliding door that goes out to the back patio. There's a retractable awning that's in excellent condition. Really a nice feature to have some shade when it's a little hotter. The kitchen is spacious. It doesn't currently have a breakfast bar, but it's configured in such a way that it would be easy to add one if that was something that would be desirable for the new owner. There's a breakfast nook, pantry storage next to the refrigerator. Kitchen has a great layout, lots of storage. The utility room leading out to the attached 2-car garage. It's a large 2-car. The primary suite easily fits a king-size bed. The vaulted ceilings continue into this room. The primary has a double vanity layout, fiberglass shower, and a large closet with great organization. One of the 2 guest bedrooms. The hall closet for linens. The guest bathroom with tub shower combination. And newer laminate floors. Those same laminates are in the primary bath as well. And the second guest bedroom, a good sized room, currently being utilized as an office. Just a great single level layout with a spacious living / great room, kitchen, and 2 eating areas. Everything is in turnkey, perfect condition, and it's thermostatically controlled with central gas heat and AC. Now in the backyard, as you can see, everything is beautifully landscaped, nicely maintained. The fencing is in perfect condition. This is a large corner lot that's 7,405 square feet. So you have room for a garden area, and the yard is all maintained by an in-ground sprinkler system, both front and back. There's already a double gate if you wanted to bring an RV or trailer in. But currently the area that would be used for RV parking is a very productive garden, a great use for the space, and it's nice to have that double gate there in case you need to come move yard debris or anything of that nature. The retractable awning is a great feature. This yard is north facing, so it doesn't get really hot, but it does still get direct sunlight, and in the warmer summer months, a retractable awning like that is a very nice feature. And the yard continues around the side with a gate over there that leads to the front. It's good storage. The roof is in great condition, the paint's in great shape. Everything is just turnkey and ready to go.